Hello and welcome back to another Geek Panda Tech unboxing video. Today we have the Oppo Reno 2Z, and without further ado, let's have a little look around the box. So it's quite a plain box, it's quite long, just tied over the MII numbers there. So there's not much on the actual outside of the box. You've got the nice camera setup there that's just shown on the front. Yeah, so let's slide it out. Now I have already taken the phone out of the box and just done a quick setup, so you're met first with this bit of cardboard that houses the instructions and so on and so forth. Just a quick start guide, warranty, so on. So we'll put that to one side, and then you have the phone inside this little bit of plastic sleeving here. So there we go, we'll just pop that out, put that to one side. So you also have this rather nice leather look style case designed by Oppo themselves. It's quite nice to have that included inside the box. Pair of headphones, wired, probably USB-C. Oh no, headphone jack. Nice to see that a company still uses one. USB-C charging cable and the charging plug, which is 5 volts 4 amp. I'm not sure of the wattage, but I should imagine it would be similar to the Huawei with the 30 watt charging. And then just in the bottom there, your little SIM card remover. So pop all that to one side. We'll have a little look around the phone. So on the back you've got a completely flat over camera setup. The only bit that you catch is the LED there. It's slightly indented with a little bezel around it, but the camera itself is completely flat underneath the glass, apart from this top one, which is almost like a fisheye. So in there you'll have your wide angle zoom lens, your macro camera. Have a look at the bottom. They've got a slightly flat but really polished rounded bezel, which is quite nice. That's a minimalistic look, but still rather nice. I like the way it goes from being smooth and narrow here to being a little bit bigger around the back. So you've got your micro USB-C port, microphone, 3.5mm jack, and speakers. Around this side you've got your power on button and your SIM card tray right there. Try and focus in. Another microphone on the top, your front facing selfie camera which pops up, and your volume rockers on the right hand side. So the actual display is a complete full screen. And just to show you the camera pop-up, which I think is really cool. The way it just really quickly pops up and down. Just try and get some focus there. There we go. Really quick. And I love the way it lights up either side in that purple accent. So obviously you've got a 48 main megapixel sensor on the back, which is becoming standard for the more Chinese phones these days. I actually prefer the camera app to the Huawei's camera app. It's a little bit more simple, a little bit more user friendly. And we'll just go back to the main menu there. The screen itself is really nice. It's really nice having a full screen display. It works really well. Little bit of a chin on the bottom, but the display looks really nice. And it's nice having that full screen at the top with no notch to be distracting. And I really like the back design as well. The whole flush design on the camera is really nice. It means it's not going to be catching anywhere. We'll just pop this into its camera case, into the case. So yeah, that's the Oppo Reno 2Z. And I haven't tried it yet, but I assume, let's have a quick look, that the fingerprint sensor is under the screen. Let's just type in a password there. There we go. So yes, it's actually under the screen. I find these so much more useful than having them on the back or the side. It's really cool. Anyway. So yeah, that's the Oppo Reno Z2. Really cool. Really cheap phone for the specs that you get in there. It's really incredible. And also it's worth a mention, so you get this free case in there. You also, if you can just see up here, if I get some focus on there again, that it's actually got a pre-installed screen protector, which is also, again, a really nice touch. So thank you for joining me at Geek Panda Tech today. If you like what we do, or you have any comments, any questions, please leave them down below. Please like and subscribe, it really helps me to build my channel. And thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.